Want to know how to link TikTok account in Mobile Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, make sure you are under the Mobile Legends main menu. So once you're under the main menu, on the top left you can see your profile right here. Just simply select it. Now once you've selected your profile, on the bottom on the left side right here you can see your account. You simply select account, and now here you can see TikTok account on the third one. That should be right below TikTok. Now make sure you have installed the app. So if you haven't, it will fail. So once you have installed the app, just simply tap it to connect and make sure you are logged in the TikTok app as well. And once that is done, you can just simply select continue, and then your linking will be successful just like that. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.